Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our enchanting corner of creativity, where the magic of the holiday season comes to life through the art of Christmas card decorations. In our festing heaven, we explore the wondrous world of crafting artful and visually stunning Christmas cards. Dive into the joy of dye as we guide you through a myriad of techniques from elegant embossing to playful pop-ups, ensuring your season's greetings are as unique as the snowflakes falling outside. Unwrap the secrets of our crafty tutorials that cater to all skill levels, from beginners eager to embark on their card making journey to the seasoned artisans seeking fresh inspiration. Join our community of fellow enthusiasts who share a passion for transforming simple piece of paper